Hello students, welcome again. So we had completed our Mendeleev's periodic table. Now we are going to start about merits and demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table in this video. So merits, there was a regular gradation in physical and chemical properties of element. तो जो elements मेंडलीव्स ने टेबल में रखे थे वो सारे elements में regular gradation हो रहा था. The group number of an element indicate highest oxidation state and that it can attain. There were many vacant spaces in Mendeleev's periodic table for the element to be discovered. तो मैंने last video में आप लोगों को बताया था कि he had discovered few predictions about the element. So that were eka aluminium, eka silicon, eka boron. So there were vacant spaces in his periodic table. So eka aluminium and eka silicon. He also predicted the properties of these undiscovered elements, including atomic masses. So what he did, he not only predicted the names, but he also predicted their elements including atomic masses. He also predicted the elements with their atomic masses. These were discovered as scandium, gallium and germanium in future. Mendeleev's arrangement helped to correct the atomic masses of numbers of elements. So number of element के masses जो है वो correct करने के लिए Mendeleev's के table में उन्होंने ये prediction किया था. Now you can see over here the properties of some elements, eka aluminium in Mendeleev's prediction and gallium, which was actual, means eka aluminium was predicted by Mendeleev, but in actual later on it was named as a gallium. Atomic mass was 68 and here it is 69.7, that is approx value. You can see over here all have the approx value which were predicted by the Mendeleev. Now, what are the demerits? We had seen about the merits of Mendeleev periodic table. Now, here are some demerits. So, what are demerits? Mendeleev could not assign a correct position to hydrogen. Now, in the periodic table, hydrogen was placed in the first row. But Mendeleev could not assign the periodic table, could not assign the position of hydrogen, because in periodic table, hydrogen resemble alkali metal as well as halogen. It resemble both. So it was very difficult for him to assign a correct position. So this was the demerit of Mendeleev's periodic table. Isotope had to be given in a same position. Isotope should be placed in the same position, though isotope of same elements have the different atomic masses. If they have different masses, though they have to place in same position. It was observed that at certain places element of higher atomic mass like cobalt 58.93 placed before an element of lower atomic mass nickel 58.71. So this was also the demerit because cobalt has the higher atomic number, higher atomic mass, but it was placed before the atomic mass of nickel, which has the lower atomic mass. Some elements placed in the subgroup, same subgroup, varies in their properties. Elements which were placed in the same subgroups, they should have the same property, but where they varies their property. Some elements varies their property, like manganese placed with the halogens, which totally differ in the properties of halogen. Then also it was placed with the halogen. So this was also a demerit of Mendeleev's periodic table. Now you can see compound of H, that is HCl, hydrochloric acid, water, H2S, compounds of Na. These are alkali metals and these are hydrogen. They were placed with alkali metals. Hydrogen were placed with alkali metals, you can see, but they were possessing different properties than alkali metals. You can see element molecular formula H2Cl2. Compound with metal, if compound is with metal, then it is sodium hydrogen. They can be placed, but with non-metal they are also placed. So they are also placed with a halogen. They don't resemble with their halogen, but then too they were placed with the halogen in Mendeleev's periodic table. So this was the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table, and this is the merit of demerit table. So okay, we had clear with this topic, merits and demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. I hope you got the topic, and if you have any kind of a doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Till then, thank you.